Importing Microsoft project data into Office Timeline Online helps you quickly turn your plans into beautiful timeline slides. However, you first need to set up your Microsoft project plan for importing. So let's start with that. For a successful import, you'll need to have milestone or task titles, start dates, and end dates. To properly identify your milestones, make sure that they are set to a duration of 0 days, or that they're specifically marked as milestones. You can also add optional columns for swim lanes, percentage complete, and notes. Once everything is formatted properly, you can move on to importing your Microsoft project file. Go to the Office Timeline Online homepage, click on Import Data, and choose Import from Project. Then browse to and select your Microsoft project file. Next up, mapping the columns. Office Timeline Online automatically maps the columns for you, but if you wish to change or unmap any of them, you can do so by clicking on any of these headers. The final step is to select which rows you want to see in your slide. You can use the checkboxes next to each row to select or deselect individual tasks and milestones. For complex plans that contain summary tasks with subtasks, use the View menu above the table to choose the hierarchy level you want to keep in view. You can also use the Filter option to quickly choose the rows you need. Let's say you only want tasks and milestones that end before a specific date. Set the field to End Date, the condition to Is Less Than, and the condition value as the deadline. Then hit Apply. Now you only see the rows whose end dates come before our chosen deadline. You can use the checkbox in the top left corner to simultaneously select all the rows in this current view. To clear a filter, just click on Clear Filters over here. Once you're done, click on Import. And there you go. Office Timeline Online will instantly generate a timeline that you can then edit and style to your heart's content. Also remember that you can quickly update your timeline with any changes done within the Microsoft project file by clicking the refresh button here. That's it for this video, but if you want to learn more, don't forget to check out the Office Timeline Support Center. Thanks for watching.